Canadian university admissions made easy. Apply with Parrot and US Gateway Partner plus tuition loan opportunity. Description marketing copy. The admissions process for Canadian institutions. Brought to you by Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Company Limited. Are you ready to start your academic journey in Canada? Whether you're applying for a diploma, bachelor's, or master's program, understanding the admissions process is key to success. At Parrot and US Gateway Partner, we help students like you apply with confidence and get ahead of the competition. Essential documents you'll need. Enter your personal and academic details via your smart path to studying in Canada. Most institutions require a non-refundable fee at the time of submission. Passport, birth certificate, or national ID. High school or university records that reflect your academic performance. IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo, or equivalent, required for non-native English speakers. Demonstrate your financial capacity to support tuition and living expenses, especially needed for graduate applications, from teachers, professors, or employers. Share your background, academic journey, and career goals. Needed for postgraduate programs to showcase your experience and skills. Exclusive opportunity tuition fee loan for bachelor's degree holders. If you hold a bachelor's degree with a score of 70% or above, you may be eligible for a tuition fees loan, allowing you to study now and repay after graduation. Repayment terms range from 7 to 20 years. Flexible and designed to support your career success. Available for approved master's degree programs. This offer is available to qualifying applicants through Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Company Limited under our trusted financial partner arrangements. Why choose Parrot Partner? Gain access to Canada's top institutions. Smart document submission via US Gateway. Professional support from admission to visa. Opportunities for scholarships and student loans. Local and international offices for personalized assistance. Need help applying? Contact us now. Website https:/visaconsultantcanada.com. Email infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. WhatsApp +1 431 302 0226. Become a Parrot and US Gateway Partner agent. Not yet a Parrot and US Gateway Partner? Join our global education network and help students apply to top Canadian schools with ease by contacting our team.